Hey guys, what's going on? Vic Townsend here, and I'm just going to give you a quick little SEO hack. If a lot of y'all don't know about this, this is going to help you out when you're doing SEO for your clients. If you do know about it, whatever. But so one of the things that will boost a client's SEO immediately, when I say immediately, I mean immediately, is the listing tool that's on SEMrush. It's going to be on the left-hand side. You click on it, you sign the client up for it. It's $40 a month. And I've literally taken clients that are on the second page of Google, put them on this listing tool, and within 1 week, they're already on the front page, in the middle of the front page at that. I'm going to show you guys where it's at real quick. The link to SEMrush is down here in the video. If you're going to use SEMrush, please click my link so I get paid. That's what makes the world go round. That's kind of your way of saying, hey, thank you to me for making this video for you. But let's get on with it. I'll show you how it's done, and we'll go from there. Well, here we are. We're in SEMrush. We're under the projects. So what you're going to do is look over here on the side. You're going to see a thing that says listing management down here on the left-hand side. You go to that, and when you click on the listing management, it's going to pull up this little thing here, and you can add different businesses. We added Hugo's Plumbing a week ago, guys, and they were on the middle of the second page. And as you see, it lists their services with all these different places and creates a backlink. So, and these are very powerful backlinks. We put them from the second page of Google to the first page of Google in a week, guys. 1 week. So when you go on here, it's going to give you a thing to add a location. So when you add the location, you just put in the business's name, you put in all that good stuff, and it's $40. So that's it. You just go to listing management, you go to add a location, you type in the location that you want. Like here's Magnolia City Pressure Wash. They're one of our clients. We're actually not paying on theirs at the moment because, well, we have them #1 on Google in about 6 different zip codes, so it's really unnecessary. But yeah, you go in there, you're going to put the try it now, and when you go in, it'll ask you for your billing. It'll charge you $40, and they handle everything. This is an awesome SEO hack. Guys, get SEMrush. The link is in the description. Click on it. And I'm telling you, SEMrush has every single possible tool that you can ever imagine using for doing your SEO work. All right, I'm out of here, guys. Peace, and thanks for watching the video.